Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be covering how to open a Webull account and why I think you should open a Webull account. Now, many of you are probably here because you've heard of the fact that Webull gives out free stocks for opening a brokerage account, and to be quite honest with you, that is the exact reason why I opened a Webull account to begin with. If you didn't know though, when you open a Webull account, you'll receive one free stock valued up to $300 when you open the account, and another free stock valued up to the $1,000 range when you deposit just $100 within the first 30 days of opening your account. If you want to take a shot at your free stocks and see what you can get, make sure to check out the link in the description down below. All you'll need is an ID, so something like a driver's license and your social security number, or if you're in another country, it'll be some sort of national identity number, and those are the only two things that you'll need along with your other general personal information. Open up your account and leave a comment down below. If you do that, let me know what stocks you got. Interestingly enough, when I did this myself, I actually received 2 free stocks of AMC. At the time, they were only worth, I believe, $6 or $7, but with the recent run of GameStop and AMC and some others, it is now a double-digit stock. Alright, now that we've covered how you're going to open your Webull account, let's look at why you may want to consider Webull as your next broker or just as an additional broker to what you already have. Webull has all of your things that your basic broker is going to have. They'll let you trade stocks, options, and ETFs, and new to this year in 2021, they're letting you trade crypto. They have both of your potential account types with your individual brokerage account, that's going to be your normal account, or your IRA. That's where you can get some tax benefits and could potentially, with the Roth IRA, end up retiring and being able to pull out your money without paying any taxes on your gains. So now we'll start getting to what sets Webull apart from some of your other traditional brokerages. I also have a Charles Schwab account, and they have this extended hours trading as well, but they don't trade quite as early. I believe Schwab might open up at 6 a.m. Meanwhile, Webull lets you trade from the full 4:30 a.m. all the way until 8 p.m. This is the largest amount of time that any broker allows you to trade on the stock market, and while it might be a little bit risky to trade during those pre-market and after-hours sessions, you can get some great deals on them as well because you can take advantage of any breaking news that comes out. What are some things that Webull lets you do on a stock-to-stock basis? Well, I'll tell you up front that the Webull app is actually a lot better than their desktop model. Unfortunately, right now I don't have anything to record my phone on, but look out for a video in the future reviewing the Webull app itself because once again, it is so much cleaner, so much easier to use than their desktop, but I can still show you some of the features that you'll find on the app. The first feature that they have is their full company summary that is beneath any stock that you want to look up. You can find all sorts of news articles. You can see that there's hundreds of articles, for example, for Clover Health going all the way back to last year. They also have the financials of the company if you want to look at their income statement, cash flow, any of that. There's your analysis that you would have to find on something like Google Finance or Yahoo Finance. It's all in the app for you if you're wondering about buy ratings or analyst price targets. There's also any press releases from the company. So like investor presentations or quarterly earnings reports will be in here, corporate actions, and it will show you any options traded for the company if you're interested in that. Another thing that you can do with Webull that's very convenient is their alert system. You can see that you can set up an alert for a stock. You can have it go off once a day, once a minute, or an unlimited amount of times. So this is a feature that could be really useful for someone like a day trader who wants to see when a stock has a potentially very high volume percent change or the price goes above or below a price that they believe could indicate a reversal. To go along with this, Webull also allows you to obtain level 2 data through some bonuses on the app by doing things like referring users or other things. So that would be another very useful feature if you plan to do day trading with Webull. In general, I actually think their desktop is better for someone like a day trader, and their mobile app is going to be better for the majority of investors. Probably my favorite feature of all on Webull is the fact that they allow IPO investing. This is something that I have not been able to find on Charles Schwab, and it's something that makes a huge difference. Anyone who's been following the market recently knows that IPOs tend to skyrocket by sometimes 30, 40, 100% on the day that they debut. And so through Webull, you can actually get in at the price that the company is offering the shares at and not the extreme price that is offered on the secondary market. One stock that you may be interested in doing this with would be Coinbase, which should be coming to the market very soon. So you would click on that, and you can't do it quite yet because Coinbase has not set their official price on Webull. And also, I should preface this by saying that you are not guaranteed to get any shares. Obviously, there is a lot of people that would like to get Coinbase at their official IPO price and not at the secondary market price. So there is no guarantee that you will get any shares. But once they put in their official price, there would be a button right around here that would say purchase shares, and you can put in your order and hope that it fills. The last feature that I'm going to be going over in today's video is paper trading. This is a great feature for a young investor to get acquainted to trading. It gives you a budget of $1 million of fake money, and so you can see what your results would be percentage-wise with that $1 million, and then you'll know roughly what kind of returns you can expect if you start trading with real money. Webull even has a competition with this paper trading every once in a while. There's leaderboards, everything like that. So hop on Webull, see if you can top the leaderboard, and at the end of your paper trading session, you're even eligible to receive potentially an Amazon gift card if you're one of the top on the leaderboard. Once again, this video truly just touched the surface of all of the many features that Webull has to offer. So make sure to go down to that link in the description, click the link, set up your account, and explore the beautiful mobile app that Webull has. I hope you did go on to enjoy today's video, and if you did, make sure you leave a like down below as well. Subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, some of our top tips for investing. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.